Hey y'all, Michael here with Blueface Plus. Thanks again for tuning in. Today I'm working on my 150 horsepower Mariner outboard two-stroke. Today a little maintenance. We're going to go ahead and we're going to drain this gear oil into this pan, and we're going to change the gear oil. You got a vent screw here and your drain plugs right up under there. They take a flathead. I just put a little bit of PB on there, help loosen it up. Make sure you trim your motor up. Slight angle like that to help it all drain out. So over here we got some gear lubes, SAE 90. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Startron, but you know, this is the recommended. This is what I usually put in my Mercury, but I end up just picking this up. They got this tool here that you pump. So let's go ahead and get started. All you need is a good old flathead screwdriver. We're gonna go ahead, and this stuff stinks, so let's go ahead. We're gonna loosen this. Woohoo! That shot out of there like a. And it's got a little magnet on there. We'll go ahead and clean that up. Hey, you! Ugh. Oh my goodness, we're gonna get this vent screw out of here so it drains quicker. Whew. Put that over here. So we're gonna go ahead and just let that stuff drain out, and then we're gonna come back to it and show you how to start pumping the new stuff in. Alright, so here's a gear lube pump. We got a new one here, standard. It looks like it's got a little changeover even if you have a smaller, but this kind of screws right in, so we're going to attach the straw, stick it in. I was missing the straw on my other one, so I got to use this one. Alright, so now that it all drained into the pan, all you do is screw that into your bottle, screw it into there, nice and tight, and we're going to start pumping, and the oil is going to start going in, and it's going to start filling up. So once it starts to drip out of the vent, we're going to go ahead and put this screw in, and then we'll go ahead and disconnect this and put the other screw in. Alright, so now once you start pumping and you seeing it flowing out, you know it's full. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to put the vent screw in first. Careful, you definitely don't want to cross thread it. Clean up the mess. Then we're going to go ahead, trim the motor up just a little bit. I'm going to pull this out and put that bottom screw back in. Make sure the magnet's still intact and it's all nice and clean. Alrighty, screw's already in. We got it in real tight. This one in tight. So just want to say, guys, I hope that video helps you guys. This is pretty much standard procedure with outboard engines. I've done it before on a 25 horsepower Mercury Bigfoot. So it's all pretty much same stuff. It's common maintenance procedure, so I definitely recommend it. Be sure to check out some of my other views or some of my other videos I got on there. I'm going to be doing a bunch more work to this motor, so hopefully it all works out. Thanks guys, y'all take care. God bless.